Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Danny, and guess what? Today we are unboxing the DJI Osmo Nano, and there's a lot of special things about this little guy. For starters, it does come with a kit included, where it comes with a hat clip, a suction mount, and a lanyard to where you can magnetize the top portion where the camera is separate from the vision dock and be able to walk around and get like a POV perspective. Uh, in comparison to the DJI Action 6, it is a smaller form factor. So there's things that this thing can do that this one can't. You can just put it in places where you can be a little more inconspicuous, whereas opposed to this big guy, you still can get the small form factor, but for me, this is more noticeable than this, which is the reason why I got it. All right, so yeah, let's go ahead and get this unboxed and see what we got here. Comes with stickers, USB cable. Here's a suction mount. Here's the lanyard we talked about. And then lastly, the hat clip, which I believe all of these mounting accessories are compatible with the Action 6, to say the least. I'm not so sure about the Action 4, 5, 3, 4, and 5. So yeah, if I want to clip this onto my hat and use the Action 6, I can do that. Or use the suction mount with the Action 6. Yep, no problems there. And I don't know if you guys can see how small that is. This is the vision dock. And it just has some magnetic connections up at the top. And look how small this is. Let me go ahead and hold my thumb up so you guys can see. But that's how small it is. And pretty much just can put this under your shirt like this and get a POV. And I mean, look how small that is. Even when I put it on the hat clip, see, if I put the Action 6 up here, this is just a lot, it's very front heavy, whereas opposed to the DJI Osmo Nano is just smaller. Like I can, like if I'm going fishing, I can have this up here and not even realize it. But with the Action 6, I know that it's there. It's not that heavy, but I still know that it's there. And again, this is this is the Ulanzi TT52. I strongly recommend this. And this is the mount that came with the adventure combo when I got the DJI Action 6. So again, they're cross compatible. They do work. God, this is like super light. Let me go ahead and peel this off. But yeah, look how light that is. And if I want to put this onto the vision dock and use it that way, now I can use it this way. But honestly, guys, I do a lot of cooking videos. I do a lot of videos where I like where my hands can be free. I hate to have something in my hand, especially if I'm out barbecuing or something, to where I'm trying to flip, chicken over with tongs and trying to record at the same time. And also, I wanted to mention that there was an issue where, and I actually have the DJI Mic 3s here. So if you wanted to connect your Mic 3 to the Nano and you wanted to frame up your shot and have this disconnected from the vision dock, you could not see a visual you couldn't see a visual display here because it was giving you the microphone levels on the back of the screen. So when they did an update that supposedly fixed it, it's still not fixed all the way. You can see a preview now, but it's in a lower resolution. So, but at least it works. So I also want to mention that both cameras do record in D-Log M at 10-bit. The only thing about the Action 6, it has the film tones, whereas opposed to the Nano, it doesn't. Hopefully DJI will give us an update to where we can use film tones on the Nano. I'm not going to be using this camera primarily for manual settings. I'm just going to use it in full auto and just get out and have fun. Again, these cameras, you still need to get a bunch of light into the sensor in order to get a great image. And that's kind of the case with any camera, right? But again, just gonna get out and have fun with it. I'll definitely be doing a follow-up video just to show you guys more of a in-detail comparison between the Action 6 and the Osmo Nano. So I'll definitely do that, but feel free to chime in. Let me know if you guys have both of these cameras or one camera, or what camera you plan on buying. Also, be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you aren't already, but feel free to comment and I'll answer all of your questions. And you guys have a good one, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.